Welcome back. In this video, we are going to build a custom product tabs in Shopify Dawn theme, where you can display the products of different collections. Right now, we have a hard-coded product grid, and if I go to the code, I have created this custom HTML and CSS, and this is all hard-coded, and I have written some schema, name product tabs, and if you go to the customizer, you will see we have a product tab section. And now let's make it dynamic so we can choose the collection from here and we can display the different collection products. So let's go back to the code and write some schema. We need blocks here, so I will say blocks. In the block array, we need a setting. Name would be collection and type would be collection as well, and limits would be 5, so we can add 5 maximum blocks. And in the settings, we need to define type would be collection, where we can select the collection from the customizer. ID would be collection as well, and label should be collection, or you can say select collection. Save that and go back to the customizer, reload the page, and now we can add collections in this section. Add a collection, select a collection. First set the clothes collection, then add another collection, select that, and this time furniture. Add another collection, shoes, and add another collection, surfboards. Save that. Now we need to loop through these blocks in here in our product tab section. So go at the top. First we need to get the collection names here. So I'll say for block in section dot blocks, and we need to get rid of the extra li's. I will put this li here, and here I will type block dot settings dot the ID of the collection, and then title of the collection. And here we need to add the number of the block, so we will say for loop dot index. In every iteration it will display, first time it will display 1, second time 2, 3, 4, and so on. So save that, and let's see we get the collection titles at the top. Okay, now we have clothes, furniture, shoes, and surfboards, where these are the blocks. So these are the collection we have added in the customizer. Now we see them at the front end. Now we need to grab the products of this collection. So I need to loop through this, and let me just remove the extra tabs. Tab 2, 3, 3, 4. Remove that, and we are going to loop this one, tab 1, and similarly we will loop through again for blocks in section blocks, and end for here. And now we need to loop through the product of each collection. Let's remove the extra grid. These grids should be, product grid should be removed. Okay, now we can loop through products of each. Let assign collection, and that will be equal to block.settings dot collection. Now we can loop through the product and say for product in collection dot products, and let me put this grid inside the loop and remove extra spaces, and here I will grab the product title, product.title, and here product.url. Similarly, we can grab the product image here, so that would be product.featured image, and filter image URL, and width would be 1000 pixels. And similarly, we can grab the product price. I will say product dot first product dot variants, the first variant of the product dot price, then money filter. Save that, and let me just replace this one with the for loop dot index. And now go back here and reload the page, and now you see we have products of each collection. If you click on furniture, you will see the products of furniture, and if you click on shoes, you will see the products of shoes. Similarly, if you click on surfboards, you will see the product of surfboards. Let me limit these products to maximum 5 products. So I go back here, and in the product loop I am set limit 5, and if I reload the page, now I have the maximum 5 products, and if you click on the furniture, you will get the first 5 products of furniture. Similarly, shoes and surfboards. So this is how you can add the custom product tab section in your Shopify DOM theme.